love, let me be your motivation to stay and give it tonight.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel for C Crown of Glory. If you don't already know, my name is Disha and we are now 2 months shy from the end of this hair growth challenge. And in this video, I will be sharing how I will be growing my hair for the next 30 days. I've been seeing a lot of clove water and clove oil popping up on my feed, so I decided to go ahead and give it a try myself. I went ahead and I made me some clove water or clove tea, whichever you want to call it. And I also made myself some clove oil. So now I'm going to share my recipe with you guys. I'm first starting off with boiling 1 cup of distilled water. Once the water is boiled, add 1 spoonful of cloves. Now for the oil, I'm starting off with 1 spoonful of toasted cloves. I made sure to blend for about a minute. Now I'm going to add my extra strength hair growth oil from ariescrownofglory.com, but you can add your favorite hair oil or whatever oil you have available. Ideally, you can wait 24 hours for this to be infused. However, for the purpose of the video, I only infused it for about 2 hours. Then I used a strainer to strain out the clove particles, and then I transferred it back into my hair oil bottle, in which I'll be using to apply it to my hair every day. Now that you saw how I made my clove oil and my clove water for hair growth, I'm going to go ahead and show you the process that I'll be using for my hair for the next 30 days. So this is my hair freshly washed as usual. I went ahead and I transferred my clove water into this spray bottle. And I'm just going to spray it onto my scalp. And I'm going to spray it onto my hair as well. Now that my hair is lightly saturated with the clove water, I'm going to go ahead with my clove infused oil. And I'm just going to place the oil right onto my scalp. Now that it's on my scalp in here, I'm going to go ahead and massage my scalp for about 2 minutes. And I'm going to also make sure that I get my edges because I need my edges to grow as well. So I plan on using the oil in my hair every other day, or at least 3 times a week. And then I'll be spraying my scalp in here with the clove water or tea once a week or twice a week. I plan not to wash my hair for 30 days. I'm just going to keep applying the oil in the solution to my hair. If my hair seems like it's getting too dirty and I'm noticing too much buildup, then I will go ahead and wash. Obviously, everyone's hair is different, so you have to do what's best for you and your hair. So that's pretty much it for the process. I will update you guys in 30 days and let you all know how it worked for me. This is what my hair is looking like now. Hopefully I don't have to wash it so that you guys will be able to see the growth. And I don't want to make this video too long, so I'll be sharing with you all the benefits of clove and how it can help with your hair health and hair growth. That is it for us. I want you all to comment below and let me know how you are all doing with your hair growth challenge. Let me know what your hair goals are for 2022. And if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. I will definitely answer them to the best of my ability. As I always say, more hair, more love to you all. I'll see y'all all in the next upload.